Let's go straight to the point. You are trying to set up a WhatsApp account, but you are not getting the verification code. Not through phone call, not through SMS. No matter how you try, this is what to do.
You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
First, make sure your SIM card for the phone number is active in the phone. 2, make sure your internet connection is working, either your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. On the app, I mean your WhatsApp, press and hold it down and enter the app info. First, stop the app. It will tell you app may misbehave. Don't worry, just give it OK. It will automatically pick up later. Then go to storage and cache and clear cache. Go back and enter WhatsApp permissions. Enter SMS and set it to allow. Go back one step and enter phone. Set it to allow. Go back one step and enter microphone. Set it to allow while using the app. Go back and you will see SMS, phone, and microphone under the allowed section. Then you can close the settings. Now open your WhatsApp to try the verification process again. For how to verify, choose missed call option. It should automatically receive the verification code and verify your phone number successfully. If the missed call option didn't work for you and you got an error of no call detected, tap verify another way, back to choose how to verify and leave it here for 20 minutes or a little more.
20 minutes later.
After 20 or 30 minutes, choose the option receive SMS and tap continue to verify your phone number via SMS. Hopefully this works for you. In case none of the 3 options works for you, missed call, receive SMS, voice call, if none of them works, then open your Play Store or Apple Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger to see the full details of the app. Go to App Support and expand the drop-down button. You will see the email address for WhatsApp support. When you tap on the support email address, it automatically opens your email app to compose an email with that WhatsApp support email address as the receiver in the to field. For the subject, unable to receive WhatsApp verification code, you can rephrase that the way you want. For the body of the email, hello WhatsApp support, I am experiencing difficulties receiving the verification code for my WhatsApp account and so on and so on. It's important you include your WhatsApp phone number and your phone model. You can pause the video to get this email content, or better still, I already put the email text in the description of this video. You can copy it from there. Send the email and wait for WhatsApp support to respond to you. Usually it takes more or less than 24 hours.
Much later.
After waiting long enough, you will receive an email from WhatsApp support. Your verification issue is resolved. An important point from them says the issue has been resolved. Take note, it says try again after 1 hour of receiving this email.
1 hour later.
If you want to recover your Facebook account, you want to recover your Instagram account, TikTok account, or you want to recover your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator apps. To see any of those videos, I'll put their links in this video description below. Remember to like this and subscribe to this channel so I can see you in my next one.